When the system is turned on, you can change a paper drawer setting when you need to use a different size or type of paper. When properly loaded, the system will automatically detect standard paper sizes that are placed in the drawers. In this tutorial, you will change a letter R paper drawer into a legal size paper drawer. With the power on, pull out the paper drawer carefully until it comes to a stop. Remove any letter size paper that may be in the drawer. Adjust the end guide to match the desired paper size. While holding the green lever, adjust the side guides to match the desired paper size. Place the legal size paper in the drawer. Change the paper size indicator. Push the drawer straight in until it comes to a stop. A menu displays. If the type of paper is different from the one that was in the drawer, press No on the touch panel. When they are the same, press Yes. With the system's auto paper size detection enabled, there is no need to program the size of paper loaded. Custom size papers, paper type and attributes can also be programmed on this screen. After making any desired settings, press OK. You can change the paper size and type for any of the paper drawers as desired. Press the User Functions button on the control panel. Press the User tab on the touch panel and then press Drawer. Press the drawer on the illustration corresponding to the one in which the paper has been changed. Use the Paper Type option to program special types of paper and attributes if needed. Otherwise, press OK.